Hi everyone, it's Shelby Thomas. I'm going to bring you short Copic tutorials based on the Introduction to Copic classes that I do at my local scrapbooking store. Today's video is going to be what I call laying down color, and laying down colors just refers to the order in which I place the colors onto the paper. The first one that I lay down is my lightest color. In this case it's B00, and the reason I do that is to prep the paper in terms of making it a little wet and also to do some shadow mapping. The second color that I come in with is my shadow color or my darkest color, which today is B04. Then after the darkest or shadow color, I come in with the midtone or the middle color, and today it's B02. And you can see I'm using the flicking motion that you can find more about in the previous video. The next step is laying down the B00 or the lightest color, also known as the highlight color. You can see that the blending is not perfect, so I'm going to go back in and repeat the step minus the lightest color first. So I'm laying down, I just laid down B04. Now I'm coming in with my midtone color B02, and then the next one I'm going to blend is my B00, and if you notice it went halfway back in and flicked up on each of those colors. The other thing that you can do in laying down colors or blending your colors is to take the color and push it back into itself. Again, the third time through, because I want a little bit more blend, is laying down the shadow color, which is B04. The midtone now is B02, and then coming back and pushing back into itself the B00 or the highlight color. One thing I do tell my students is when you are working, don't worry about going outside of the lines with practicing, it's okay. The second most common thing I see in class is the lines drive people crazy. What you shouldn't do is take your lightest color or a lighter color and just try to smooth out the lines this way. And this is what I'm showing you right here, what happens. Essentially, when you take the lighter color over a darker color, you're washing out the darker color. And then you're left with just a circle of blue and no shape or shading to it. So you can see when I took the B00 and went over all of the circle, what happened is I lightened up the darker colors, the B04 and the B02. So to get rid of your lines, just repeat the process. We'll see you next time. Thanks for coming by.